Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about how you can get money for free to start up your business. Okay, now there are so many people who are ready to help you. There are so many rich people. We have a lot of people that want to help, but I'm going to give you this site. This website is going to help you to raise that money, the money you need for your education, the money you need for your small business, the money you need for your medication or for your traveling. Definitely they are going to help you because over $500 million has been raised for different people. This site, a lot of rich people go to this site to help people who need help and also to help people with good ideas. So if you have a business idea that you know very well that this business, anyone that listens to your business idea will definitely want to help you, definitely here is for you. This site will help you raise that money for the business. Or you need a medication and you don't have money for your medication, you want people to help you to fund your medication. Definitely all you need to go is go to this website on the screen, fundy.com. All you need is your Facebook, or you can sign up with your email address. Any of this Facebook or email address, you are good to go. Now once you register, you can use your picture or you can design something else that can explain the idea or what you want. Okay, so it's not a must that you must post your picture. Okay, that's one thing I love about this site, because some people maybe they don't want to use your pictures for it. Now one thing I love about this fund is that this company was founded in 2009 and the company head office is actually based in the US. And one important thing to understand is we don't just look for a site and start creating videos about it. We always try to test the sites to make sure that they are paying, and definitely Fundly is really paying. They have paid out millions of dollars to people out there, to people like you, to people like me. So I want to tell you something. One important thing I love about this site is that every month they have monthly visitors of over 330,000 people. Wow, 330,000 people visit Fundly to raise money or to help people. And I'm going to give you the top 5 countries that have the highest visitors. Before you start thinking of, well, the truth is, one is US. You might ask yourself, why is US the highest country that visit Fundly? A lot of people who need helps, that's the truth. And so many US citizens also visit sites to help people. And while some also visit the site to get help. And number 2 is India. Yes, we have a lot of Indians visiting fundly.com. And number 3 is Canada. And then number 4 is Nigeria. Wow, Nigeria. And we also have number 5, Germany. These are the top 5 countries with highest visitors on Fundly seeking for help or helping people. Now imagine a website that receives over 330,000 monthly visitors. Definitely you know something good is going on there. Something good is happening there. That is why you can have this number of visitation visiting Fundly every month. So if you need money for your medication, for your education, for your traveling, or you have a business idea that you don't have money to start, you want to invest in a particular business, you want to start up a particular business that you know this business is going to bring out more profit for you, definitely just go to fundly.com and type up your business, write what you want, and then tell them how much you want. Definitely they will help you to raise that money. But one important thing you need to have in mind is this: please, when visiting this website, have it in mind, be truthful to yourself that you really need money, because it's not be good for you to just go to that particular site, begin to, money that you don't need, you begin to lie or begin to what you want. You needed money, but be truthful to yourself, because a lot of people need help. And once you really need help, believe it, you will see people that are ready to help you, especially people with business ideas, especially people with medication issues. Yes, because people want to save life. There are so many people, so many rich people out there that want to save life. So they will be definitely going to there. Some only go there looking for people that need medications, help, assistance. That's what they want to do. They want to help them. They want to donate. They want to give some money for them so they can save life. That's how some people want to save life. Now, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. We have different websites. We'll be bringing out different websites and other ways you can make money online. And of course, different websites that also help you to to raise money for your business, for your whatever you want to use the money for. We have so many. I'll bring out different videos explaining each side in every video. So kindly subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos. Now, what about Fundly? They have actually raised over $500 million to people out there. This is the company was founded in 2009. That should be about 14 years. They started 14 years ago, and they have gotten millions of visitors already. So if you need capital, if you need assistance, if you have a business idea, look at the screen. You can see the website address, www.fundly.com. Go to Fundly to register using your Facebook address, register using your email. Any of these, you are good to go. Register with your Facebook or you register with your email address. Definitely. Move to the next page. They'll ask you what are you here to fund or you're here to receive fund. So if you're there to receive fund, definitely be going that you're here seeking for help. Then post whatever you want to do and you can see people start donating for you. Kindly subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.